If your basement is over 4 feet deep and you need a reliable backwater valve with a removable flap, picking the right one and planning for easy maintenance is super important. So here's the thing, when you're dealing with a deep backwater valve, you want something that's built tough and easy to access. Look for valves made from durable materials like cast iron or heavy-duty PVC designed for underground use. Since you're planning cleanouts in both directions, that's smart because it makes clearing blockages way easier without tearing anything up. Make sure the valve has a removable flap or cover that's designed for simple servicing even when it's buried deep. Some models come with extension kits or risers to bring maintenance points closer to the surface. Also, double-check that the valve meets local plumbing codes and is rated for backflow prevention to avoid any surprises. Keep in mind, installing a riser pipe can help bring the valve flap closer to the basement floor level so you won't have to crawl under or dig out every time you need to check it. Regularly test the flap to make sure it's sealing tight because a stuck flap can cause backups and flooding. Finally, if you're unsure about installation depths or local regulations, chatting with a professional plumber can save you from headaches down the line. One of the biggest issues with deep backwater valve setups is accessibility. If the flap is more than 4 feet underground, it's a pain to service or replace. Fix this by adding an extension riser or clean-out access point so everything stays reachable. Another common problem is picking the wrong valve material, which can lead to corrosion or cracking over time. Always pick products rated for underground and wet conditions to avoid leaks. Third, some folks skip checking local code requirements and end up with a valve that doesn't pass inspection or doesn't protect properly against sewage backup. Always verify code compliance before buying or installing. Fix these by planning ahead, investing in quality parts, and consulting local experts. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, for contractors, it's a great way to find real work from people who actually need their skills and services.